Mr. Thunder, how old are you? He said 79. So, the thunder... Wait, should I do this?
Yeah. Ask him.
Wait, no, I want to do this first.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. And it's starting breaking this news. These two people were named Isabella and her dad. But I don't know her dad. What's your name? And Robert and Isabella. They have watching all day. And they are in trouble.
This head went into the ground long before sunrise. Stunningly cooked, extremely tender.
They're waiting for Mr. Thunder to say something. So, pretty news. Bad news. I got bad news and good news. The good news is the rain is still there. But the bad news is the thunder and lightning disappear. Boom! And it's gone. I heard it! I heard Mr. Thunder!
You did? But not loud. I want to hear him loud.
Layered on fresh corn tortillas, topped with cilantro, onions, avocado, and fresh
Mr. Thunder!
Okay.
Please, can you give me some water? The flowers water. Can we listen to... You eat water?
Listen.
I see a deer behind those bushes.
Really?
Yeah.
There's a deer?
Yeah. I saw this. I didn't see, but I saw the baby one, and I saw his head.
Really? Where are they going?
It's walking all the way over there. And I could see his parents. And I saw his parents, and then they were sleeping, and then this little deer went off.
So where are they going?
No, the kids ran off like kids. The kids deer. Yeah, the kids deer, they run off because they're scared of the rain. They couldn't find them. Look at that rock. We can see on the water there, but
Oh yeah, it's getting bigger. The waterfall's getting bigger. Hey, I just saw some lightning, so Mr. Thunder's coming next. Listen. He's coming.
how'd you cover?
Here it comes.
From venison to quail eggs and quail meat, his products grace some of the best tables in the country. I mean, this just looks like nice cracked grain. There are some places that breed chickens with no legs, and they all get like an IV with. Our philosophy is happy quail makes our quail. Absolutely. Where commercial chickens take nearly 5
I don't think Mr. Thunder wants to come. But you bear.
I saw lightning.
Okay, here comes Mr. Thunder. He's next. Here it comes.
Whoa!
Oh.
Now that was a big.
Yeah, but I want an even bigger one.
It is bigger. See? Make it even bigger and 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 bigger.
He heard you.
So they can send them to the incubator at just the right time. It also encourages some preliminary raw tasting.
Let's wish for something. So show Mr. Thunder something. I wish. 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 I
What
wish.
is it?
Quail egg.
Okay, the thunder is making my wish. It's making it. It's making it into a star. And then when I see when it's dark, here you're gonna see my star up right here.
Okay. Say bye, Mr. Rain.
Bye, Mr. Rain. Come on, Daddy. Let's play now.
Okay.
Let's.
But first, wish your father a happy Father's Day.
No.
Good job.
Again, class.
Say Happy Father's Day.
Oh, that's them.
Just say Happy Father's Day.
I want to.
All right, just say bye-bye then.
Bye. Bye.